This is the most effective folk remedy for the treatment of flu, colds, cough, menstrual and abdominal pain. Many common health issues such as colds, flu, cough, as well as abdominal and menstrual pain can be effectively treated with a simple folk remedy that asks for minimal effort on your part. To be more specific, you simply need to soak a cotton ball in 50% alcohol, squash the excess alcohol, and put the cotton ball over your belly button. To keep it in place, cover the cotton ball with a plastic bag, tape, bandage or a cloth. This folk remedy has proved extremely beneficial for muscle relaxation as well as pain relief. You can use it after a hard day's work to relax your tense muscles and enjoy a good rest. In fact, the greatest health benefits of this natural treatment are related to common cold, flu, muscle soreness and even inflammation. What's best about it is that it's safer and more efficient than most conventional drugs we commonly use. Also, it's great for children who are more susceptible to common illnesses because it's completely safe, unlike most conventional medicines that destroy your system in time. You can use this treatment to relieve menstrual pain. Simply lie down and press the cotton ball on your belly button gently. Also, you can relieve stomachache and prevent travel sickness using the same method. To enhance its effectiveness, sprinkle some salt on the cotton before you put it on your navel.